Hello everyone, welcome to OpportunityCircle.com. In this video, we'll give you an insight on the world's most prestigious scholarship, the Chevening Scholarship 2021. Visit the official website of OpportunityCircle.com. The link is given in the description below. On the Opportunity Circle homepage, click on the search icon and search for Chevening Scholarship. Click on the Chevening Scholarship 2021 fully funded link. On this page, you'll find all the information about Chevening Scholarship. First of all, what is Chevening Scholarship? Chevening Scholarship is one of the world's most prestigious scholarships. This is a fully funded scholarship by the United Kingdom, which includes flights, accommodation, and tuition fee. Scroll down to view all the details of the scholarship. First of all, the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for a Chevening Scholarship, you must be a citizen of a Chevening eligible country or territory. You must return to your country for a minimum of 2 years after your concession ends. Having completed your undergrad degree with a minimum grade equivalent to a second-class honours in the United Kingdom, at least 2 years of work experience is required. You must comply with the Chevening English language requirements by July 16, 2021. The benefits of a Chevening Award include a full university enrollment, a monthly stipend, travel tickets, arrival subsidy, return departure permit, visa application cost, and traveling scholarships to attend Chevening events in the United Kingdom. To apply for the scholarship, just scroll down and click on Apply Now.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly in your inbox.
By clicking on the Apply Now link, you will be redirected to the Chevening Scholarship official website. Here, you have to select your native country from the drop-down list. Select your award and then click on Search. You will now be redirected to the official page of your native country. Here you can find out more about Chevening in your native country. Scroll down and then click on Apply. This will direct you to the main application website. To start a new application, you will have to register. So click on Register here. You can view the privacy policy and the cookie policy. After reading these policies, click on Accept at the end of the page. This will open your contact information form. Fill the form with your correct and updated contact information. Check the verification link at the end of the form and click on Submit. As you've completed your registration, a link will be sent to you on your email to activate your account. Check your inbox for the Chevening email. If you cannot locate the email in the inbox, check the junk section of your email. Open the email and click on the link to activate your account. You will then be redirected to your account activation page. Set a password and click Submit. A form about your personal information will open. Complete the remaining fields on your profile and click on Validate Profile. After the successful completion of your contact profile, click on Click Here to view your home page. As you can see on your home page, you have no ongoing applications. To view open awards, click on Available Open Awards. On this page, you can scroll down and see the awards open to you in your country. You can click on Info to view further information about the awards, and then you can click on Apply to apply for your selected award. You will then be redirected to a new eligibility questionnaire form. Fill out the questions in the eligibility form correctly and then press Submit. You will then be redirected to your pre-screen quiz. Fill out the pre-screen form and then Submit pre-screen. You will then be directed to the main application page for the award you have selected. There are 5 tabs on the screen. You will need to fill in all the 5 tabs before submitting the application. As part of your application, you have to submit 3 UK universities in the Application Information tab. Scroll down and select Add University Application. You have to select your desired university from the drop-down list. Click on Confirm University. Select the degree or program you've applied to, the rank where you want to place this listing, and the decision on your offer, or if you have applied or not. Submit your application. Your application has successfully been submitted. To view your application, click on Save Draft to refresh the page and view your submitted application. Your universities will be listed here. You can click on Delete and then edit another university if you want. After successfully filling in all the forms on this application page, you can submit your application by clicking on Submit to Chevening. You can also view your application later. To edit it and submit it later, you can click on Save Draft. Then you can view your applications in the In Progress Applications section whenever you want by just clicking on Open, and you'll be redirected to your saved application where you left it before. We hope this was helpful for you. Good luck for your future.